I'm Matt Christensen, and I'm the product manager for the Keystone Cougar division. We're standing inside our new 26 RBS travel trailer, and I'm excited to show you a lot of the features that it has in it. Inside our kitchen, you're going to notice our one-piece seamless thermofoil countertops, a 50/50 stainless steel undermount sink with covers to give you some added countertop space, upgraded chef's faucet with pull-out sprayer, plenty of overhead cabinet space and drawers in your kitchen area. We even have a little pots and pan drawer underneath the oven. Our oven, which is 21 inches, is going to give you lots of room in there to be able to cook while you're on the road. Drop-in range with glass cooktop cover, giving you plenty of countertop space. Standard microwave. We have an 8 cubic foot reefer that's going to come standard, not just in this, but in all of our half-ton series travel trailers. This particular model comes equipped with a fireplace. That's going to act as an electric heater. Also going to give you some nice ambiance in the unit. I think it's got a nice high-end look to it. Loads of overhead cabinet space in this model. These go all the way back. We have a huge 50-inch 4K TV with a little hidden pantry back behind here. Over here, you're going to notice that you have this big storage area. 4 more drawers for more storage. Right at the entryway, we have an additional closet, wardrobe closet, hanging room, more cabinet space underneath here. And then we have a fully enclosed bathroom. Inside this bathroom, we have a porcelain toilet, seamless thermofoil countertops in your lavatory, and a 34-inch radius shower enclosure with a skylight, so you have plenty of room to get in there. Now I'm 6'5", and all of our trailers run these arch rafters on the inside. This gives us 84 inches of ceiling height coming down the middle of your trailer. As you can tell, I've got plenty of room. Inside your slide box, we're going to run a standard 68-inch trifold sleeper sofa. And then you do have an option for theater seats if you want those to be a wall hugger that reclines. Also in your slide box, notice the size of your windows. All massive panoramic windows, and all of your windows in the slide box are going to open. Nice light treatment in here. All of your lights inside this model are going to be LED, including all of your exterior lights are going to be LED. Inside the bedroom, you're going to see that you have a 70 by 74 king size bed. Most travel trailers are going to have a queen. We're stepping up and giving you a king. Nice storage area up in front of the bed. And then this model also has a second entrance into the bedroom, giving you 2 entrance and exit points. On the outside of this trailer, you're also going to have an outside kitchen, something you don't normally find on couples coaches. You usually see those in bunkhouse models. So in that outside kitchen, you're going to get a little mini refrigerator, and you're going to get our Capital Grill barbecue that pulls out with that. A huge awning is going to cover both entry doors. That's going to complete our 26 RBS walk around. Take a look at it at a dealership near you, or come see the 360 views on KeystoneRV.com. Thank you.